I have to be very, very careful because that restriction is for 90 days. So I should not be doing things that make them remove my account. I believe none of you will want that.
Because for you to be here, you want to see me make it, isn't it?
I am back, guys. The restriction really scared me, so I couldn't clap. I didn't make videos for 1 week. Yesterday I just decided to just put down my massage video. I believe some of you have not seen it because the views is very low, so I have to make video for you guys today. Guys, we have to.
Okay, so today video not gonna be long, but I promise to give you guys a longer video next time. Okay, because it's been long and I believe some of my subscribers left, so we just have to bring them back. I didn't like my skits. So today's video will not be that long. Let's go. Another thing is, someone said I should be putting oil on my thighs. Remember I told you guys it's actually painful. So let's see if it helps. Okay? Yes. Oh my goodness. So, longer video next time, okay? This one just to warm up. Dude. Ah, you see?